Hi, we're here at SAP Ariba, and I'm Ronald van Loon. I'm director at the data analytics consultancy firm. I host a series of webinars. I'm a blogger and a vlogger. And I'm here with Barry Padgett. He's the president of SAP Ariba. Barry, maybe you can give a short introduction?
Sure. Happy to be the president of SAP Ariba. It's the world's largest business commerce network. $1.6 trillion a year goes through this network. 3.3 million buyers and sellers all connected together.
That's an amazing figure. But if you look, you are leading this company. I'm really curious about your vision on the future of procurement.
Yeah, you know, the vision of procurement in the future is a lot like what procurement is today on steroids. What could happen for procurement if we offered a platform that was connected to every third-party genius out there in terms of app developers, suppliers, third-party integration specialists, and we allowed these transactions, these interactions to be consumed and nourished by a really rich ecosystem of partners. That procurement professional now has the ability to really drive change at their company and to drive impact at their company like never before.
And if you connect all businesses, all devices, all the people, you have a gold mine of data. And if you have the gold mine of data, you can, let's say, leverage this by machine learning and by AI.
Yeah.
Can you explain how you're going to apply machine learning and AI?
Yeah, sure. So I think the interesting concept is not necessarily the generation of a bunch of data, because there are a lot of really good examples of really rich data, and after 20 plus years in the procurement space, there's a lot of data there. I think the interesting question right now is business impact, and what we're seeing is this blend of technologies, right, machine learning and AI and blockchain, coming together with these huge repositories of data to drive real business impact. And so it could be as simple as, I want to make sure I don't have duplicate payments anywhere in my company. Yeah. Maybe you use some machine learning for that. Or it could be, I want to make really intelligent selections on who I do business with based on environmental sustainability practices, or the fact that I want forced labor anywhere in my supply chains. And so maybe we use a little bit of artificial intelligence to make those decisions. And then lastly, how do I make sure that the people I'm doing business with are really who they say they are? And we can use blockchain for provenance and for authenticating suppliers around the world. So it's a really cool fusion.
Definitely. Great insights. What do you see as the main trends that you are going to follow the coming years?
Yeah, I think you're going to see a continued passionate pursuit of openness. I think you're seeing that by all the big platform companies out there right now, trying to make sure that there are a set of standards we can all work to and with to make sure that our customer receives the kind of value we want them to have. I think that's number one. And then number two, you're going to see more and more discussion around business impact and less discussion, I think, around the technology that provides that impact. So I think we'll hear less about AI and ML and blockchain. Instead, we'll start hearing more use cases as that technology becomes commonplace. We won't have to talk about the technology anymore because people will be talking about the cool things that they're doing with it at their companies.
Barry, thanks a lot for all the great insights. And for more information, go to ariba.com.